Hi, everybody. This is Pat in the paper closet. Thanks for coming back. Today, I just wanted to show you how I print my digital papers on my inkjet printer so that they are full size. They are borderless. In other words, they don't have that little white edge all around that you have to cut off. So this is how I'm in my graphics program. Now yours, whatever program you're in, you'll have to find how you get to your printer. You may have opened it as a PDF. So you would go to File in any of your programs, go to Print. Now mine is set for, I have an HP Smart Tank. It's a 7001. I love it. I'm going to change my printer settings. Now somewhere on your screen you're going to have an area where you can do this. You may just have to find it for your printer. They're all different. I click on that, and I'm going to undo this because I already have it set. I want to show you how to get there. Okay, so this is my screen. Your screen, somewhere on here on your program, you're going to have this area that shows you how to set up your paper and the quality of your printing. So right now it's set to borderless is off. In other words, it's going to leave that white little area around the paper if I leave it set like that. So I'm going to click this to borderless on. Paper type, it will not print plain paper, borderless. So I'm going to change that to other matte inkjet papers. And my print quality, I want it to print as clear as I can. So I'm going to change that to best. So we have borderless on, paper type, other matte inkjet papers, print quality, best. That's all I'm going to change, nothing else. I'm going to click OK. Now I'm back to my original screen. Now my media says other matte inkjet paper instead of plain paper. Nothing I'm going to change on here except select print size. Somewhere under your print size, you want to print exact size, meaning that it's going to print this exact area inside your 8.5 by 11 inch paper without leaving anything on the edges. And that's all I'm going to change. It's already on landscape. I don't want to change anything else. I would just hit print and it will print my paper 8.5 by 11, which means if you're making a 6 by 9 junk journal or whatever type of book, an 8.5 by 11 page, all you do is fold it in half. There's no cutting. It fits exactly inside your cover. Whereas if you had these little borders around the edges, after you trim them off, your papers would be a little bit smaller. This is a perfect size. You just fold them in half, put them in your journal. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a heads up on that. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, the little thumbs up. And please subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll be notified of the next video that comes up that I create. Okay, so thank you for coming, and I'll see you soon. Bye.